So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the default PDF opener on your Windows laptops. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply go to the settings. Inside the settings, click on this option of apps right there. Now, inside the apps, you just simply need to go to this option of default apps. It's right there. Click on default apps. Now, inside the default apps, when you scroll down, you'll see multiple options right there. Let's say for example, if I go to Google Chrome, now here you'll see that .pdf is going to be open using Google Chrome. So just simply in order to change that, all you need to do is to just simply, for example, if I open a PDF, let's say I have this PDF. Now just simply right click over there, and here you'll see this option of open with, then click on this option of choose another app, and under this list just simply select the app that you want to use as default. For example, let's say Google Chrome, and hit on this option of always. Now, once you do it, you'll notice that all of these PDF file will now open on the default app that you have selected. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.